So workers' comp, as I understand, is essentially an insurance scheme, or and I don't mean scheme in a pejorative way, but I mean a schematic system.
Yeah. For folks that are not familiar with it, that might do a lot of personal injury work, it's very similar to the Kentucky no-fault system for car accidents.
Okay.
It's essentially a no-fault system. Like Kentucky automobile no-fault, you have to have insurance on every car in the state of Kentucky.
Right.
And there's some exceptions to that, but it's similar in workers' compensation. Every employer has every employer has got to have workers' compensation insurance, even if they have one employee. There's no exception to that. They can be fined if they don't, and if they don't have insurance, there's a government agency that can help us. But that insurance scheme is designed to provide protection for the individuals. Sometimes the insurance scheme is a little bit different for big employers, maybe Ford, General Electric, UPS. They have workers' compensation insurance through what we call a TPA, a third-party administrator, which is actually an agency that provides the workers' compensation administrative process, but eventually the money is being paid by the employer. But these are big employers that are self-insured. They have to have big lines of credit, take those and get it approved by the Kentucky Department of Workers' Claims. And essentially they act like a workers' compensation insurance carrier. The major difference is maybe somebody at the company is actually making the decisions about who gets money and how claims are resolved, as opposed to the insurance adjuster in Indianapolis or Chicago.
Okay.